This is your shortcut to confident English. I speak and you copy. Simple. Let's get into it. Practice English the smart way. Describe events and improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, and accent at the same time. I will speak one sentence. You will repeat that sentence. Maria went to the supermarket after work. Now your turn. She wanted to buy vegetables and bread. Now your turn. She walked with a basket. Now your turn. At the counter, she looked for her wallet. Now your turn. But her wallet was not there. Now your turn. She felt scared and checked her pockets. Did I drop it? She thought. She walked back to look on the floor. Then a shop worker came to her. He smiled and said, "Is this your wallet?" Maria felt happy and said, "Thank you. You helped me." You did a great job. Practicing daily like this will make you unrecognizable. Now here is your challenge of the day. This scenario will scroll up the screen and you will speak in the best way you can. Remember, keep it slow but correct. Record it if you can and listen to it afterwards. Amazing, you did it. People subscribe to this activity to improve their English the smart way. Click the bell button or you might miss it tomorrow. Your today's challenge has been completed. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.